me, and the second video will be an unboxing video because I forgot that actually I already have a video unboxing this bag, but I lost it. Maybe it's on my phone, maybe it's here. I'm gonna check, but now that I'm making video, might as well do a quick unboxing of this Louis Vuitton bag that I purchased before Mother's Day of this year, and I haven't used this bag and kept it here. So without further ado, let's unbox it. So yeah, this is the box. Inopen ko na siya, but for the sake of this unboxing, and excuse my flimsy, lame ribbon. Luwag. So if you're gonna ask me if this bag is still worth buying this year, I mean, it's up to you. If you really like this bag, there's no perfect timing. If you save for it and this year lang kayo nakasave enough for this bag, kung gusto niyo diba? Bakit? Wala namang perfect time. Louis Vuitton is a classic staple piece and it'll be here for a long time. So these are my receipt and the small papers that came with this bag. So my bag, being purchased this year, it doesn't have date code anymore. I think Louis Vuitton changed from date code to microchip. So this bag doesn't have date code. It has microchip. So let's unbox it. Hold on. Ang higpit ng pagkakaano ko. So they attach this thing in case you want to gift it. You can write your short notes in this paper. So you have, that's why you have it. Oh my gosh. Ang higpit nung gawa ko. Let me check if I can just slide it. Ah! After so I was able to remove the ribbon out from the box, and let's open it. Ta-da! Inside is the bag with dust bag, and also a small dust bag. So let's check what's inside this small dust bag. So it's the lock and keys. I think you're having an idea. You have an idea what I purchased already. Yeah. Let's put that back. And now, here's the bag. Yes, it's a Speedy bag. It's a Speedy 25 bandolier in damier ebene canvas. Super cute, right? And of course, it has this strap that you attach on both ends or on both sides of the bag, like so, and you wear it crossbody. Yeah. And before the date code, so this one do have the zipper on one pocket, or they call it the tongue, and before the date code is at the back of this pocket, but now mine doesn't have it, and microchip. It has, this bag has microchip. Where the microchip is, I have no idea. I think they changed the from date code to microchip because of, you know, counterfeit bags. I'm not against fake bags as long as it's good quality, you know. It's good to carry for me. Counterfeit bags will never going to stop because there are people like me who's buying it. I'm not patronizing it, but if you don't have if you really like a certain bag and you don't have the money yet, you can buy a counterfeit bag and use it if you're really gonna like it, because spending like this is almost $2,000. Spending that much of money over a bag, it can be too much for some people, you know. And if you can find a good one, why not? That's just my opinion. Please don't get angry or bash me, because we all have our own opinion, right? We just need to respect each other. If your bags are all authentic, good for you. I'm so happy for you. But for those people who doesn't have the funds right now but they want to carry the bag, just come on guys, buy it, diba? Make yourselves happy. So that's my quick unboxing of this bag, and ciao Bella. I'm gonna go to work now. Bye. Thank you for watching.